Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about acne. I know it's a very stressful subject for a lot of us, but hopefully by the end of this video, I would help you to feel a little better. First thing first, if you are somebody who is using soda on your face, soda scrub or soda DIY, stop doing it immediately. Your face is acidic in nature and soda is a very harsh basic chemical. It's going to react with the acid on your face and it's going to deplete that layer. Basically, your skin is designed in that way to protect you from infections. So using soda is like the worst thing that you can do for yourself. Okay, I had like a really bad acne a few years ago. It was cystic, but I did find a solution. It's completely cured right now, and I do get like occasional breakouts, but apart from that my skin goes back to being normal. So the point of me telling you is this, that yeah, it is absolutely possible to cure your acne. Skincare for acne is just like any other skincare. There is nothing special that you need to do on your skin if you have acne prone skin. We are so blessed to have these bodies which have the intelligence to take care of themselves. The only thing that you and I can do is aid the body in the cleansing process. So anybody, whether you have like a normal skin or acne prone skin, the only thing that anybody needs to do is gently cleanse your skin and use a moisturizer. I believe that skincare doesn't have to be a stressful experience. It doesn't have to be the only job that you're doing in your life. I personally use only two things in my skincare, and I have been using these two things for a really long time. So I use this cleanser and I use this moisturizer. This cleanser is very gentle. It helps you maintain the pH of your face, and this is a gel based moisturizer. I would be putting a link to these products in the description box. If you are somebody who has been using oil to moisturize your face or your body, please continue to do that. Don't stop doing that. Don't switch to any other product. If you're somebody who is very paranoid about using oil, find yourself a gel-based moisturizer. And if you think that you can't afford an expensive good product, a moisturizer, then the best and the cheapest thing that you can do for your skin is aloe vera gel. Just grow yourself some aloe vera in a pot. It's very easy to take care of it, and use it daily on your face as a moisturizer. Another thing that I do use occasionally on my face is this gel. It's called Rensa gel, and it was recommended to me by my doctor, but I would not recommend this for you if you are somebody who is just breaking out really badly right now. It is gentle and it's probably not gonna help you. It is something that can become a regular part of your regime after you've healed your acne. You need to start your acne cure journey with a really happy place in your head. So ground yourself in this thought that like anything else, acne too has a solution and it is completely curable. I am like a testimony, a proof to that. From the amount of scars that I have, you should be able to notice the kind of acne I would have had. The way you look at yourself when you have acne is probably much more worse than how others treat you. The reason that I decided to do this video without any makeup is to prove this point. I have nothing on my face, but I just wanted to make this video and I did it. So go ahead with your daily routine just like you had a perfect skin. Don't let acne come between you and your life. Just keep it aside. The second thing that you need to do is go and meet a good doctor. I know skincare can be expensive, but if you are somebody who's focused on quick fixes, you can end up damaging your skin much more and be left with many scars than you would if you would just find a right doctor in the beginning of your journey. Right now, if you are in a negative mindset, create some space between your problem and yourself, and then look for a solution, then look for a doctor. You'd probably find a friend who would recommend you a really good doctor, or you would just yourself stumble upon the solution. But make sure to visit with a good skin doctor. Any kind of skin element is a pointer to something which is going on inside your body or inside your mind. So declutter your mental space, make it as happy as possible. And second thing, take care of your gut. It's very, very important to have a healthy gut because acne is generally related to vitamin A deficiency, and I'm not an expert on that subject, but I would definitely recommend for you to go and check out a video by Dr. Eric Berg where he's talking about a complete solution for acne. And he discusses the importance of vitamins and minerals in healing your acne. The first thing anybody can do is take a lot of green leafy vegetables. It's really simple. Even if you are a meat eater, please include enough green vegetables in your diet. Second thing, maintain the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut. It's very important. One of the ways that I do that is by taking sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is nothing but fermented vegetables which have good bacteria in them and that help balance out your gut. I would be making a separate video for sauerkraut. You could probably take probiotics, but please consult a doctor before taking them because in India this concept is really, really new and I can't recommend a good brand of probiotics. They can be pretty expensive too. So to wind up this video, the only things that you need to do to take care of your acne is clear your headspace, have positive thoughts, take care of your gut, meet the right doctor, and keep your skincare as simple as possible. Don't get desperate, don't get frantic, and don't look for quick fixes. That's it. Have faith and have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.